today. Me and the hubby here are going to Old Time Pottery to see if we can find our first Code Orange for 2022. We have an Old Time Pottery a couple of miles away from our house. So we're going to take you guys along with us and we'll show you if they've got anything or not. So stay tuned. Yay, Old Time Pottery. Please have something good out. Please, we're asking the Great Pumpkin, let us have some spooky goodies out. My God, Becky, look.
To 87037, then you'll be the first to know about new arrivals,
Guys.
seasonal surprises, hot trends, and clearance savings.
There's
Thanks
some
for shopping
Halloween
with us.
trees. These are $9.99. Here's some skulls. These are $5.99. Halloween in June, guys. Love it. Never too early. The little dogs are $9.99. He's holding a little jack-o'-lantern in his mouth. That's adorable. These tombstones, they were $14.99. We've got some tombstones. These big pumpkins, they were $24.99. They had a lot of pretty fall mats to choose from. These all ranged around $12.99. My favorite was this one right here, the plaid with the black, white, and orange pumpkins. I want to go back and get that one. These smelled really good. And look at this aisle. Here was some spider webs for your front porch. Then some freaky fabric here. And here were these hanging skeleton ghouls. They lit up, but the first ones I tried didn't work. These were $17.99. I really liked the lights on their face. It's really spooky. They had a bunch of these ghosts. And they had all these little skeletons here, little mermaids, little pirates, and clowns. And they were all $4.99. And they had these last year, I remember. Then they had these garlands and banners. And these rainbow skeleton garlands, those are new this year. Those were $5.99. Then they had these wreaths and these cute black cats. And they were $12.99. And they had a lot of pretty fall wreaths and arrangements. This sunflower wreath, it was $24.99. This was a cute little pumpkin arrangement. And then here's a whole aisle of fall garlands. This garland was $24.99. It had pumpkins on it. I love the color of this one. This one was $19.99. The yellowish gold leaves. And then here was some pumpkins. I really love these bronze colored pumpkins, brownish bronze. Those are pretty. And they have blue pumpkins and teal pumpkins. Here's some more pretty fall floral picks. I love the color of those, the burgundy ones. And I just love sunflowers. I think they're beautiful. Look at these really big sunflowers. Those are so pretty. And then these purple and black and green and orange wreaths over here. Oh my God, guys. I cannot believe what me and my hubby just saw. We saw 2 aisles or more of Halloween and fall decorations in our local Old Time Pottery. Can you believe it, babe?
I can't believe it.
Oh my God, we're so excited. The Great Pumpkin, he granted our wish today. We saw some cute stuff, and I love fall stuff too because I decorate for fall and then I decorate for Halloween. So, sorry I had to stop recording because an ambulance was coming by and it was really loud. But yes, we got a big code orange today in the middle of June. Oh, so exciting. Halloween shop with me's. As soon as the stores start putting it out, I'm gonna make the videos for you guys so you can see what's available this year. So stay tuned for all of those. No, it's never too early for fall and Halloween to me. I'm a Halloween fall girl through and through. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.